Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Kay of Taning's Vlog. I am here to show you a new unboxing. I'm going to do that after I finish this project, The Last Supper. As you can see, I am halfway through. This one has 29 colors and it's 100 over 40. I have received the package today, which I ordered last 27th. That's the January 27th, and it arrived today, February 2nd. So basically, it took 7 days. It took just 7 days for me to receive the diamond painting. So this is my second time to order in this company. So far, I am liking it because of the size, good drills, and the drill part, the canvas itself. This is what it says outside the box. It has instructions on what to do or how to do it, although I don't understand that. But basically, there are pictures. So there. We are going to open this diamond painting. And I'm going to show you my next project. This is going to be a big project also. And it's heavy. Sorry. So after the Last Supper, I'm going to start this. Okay. There are tools, the basic one with baggies, the boat, the wax, the placer or the pen with 3 placers and a single placer on the other end. The other one has tweezers. I ordered a round drill, so this is the second time that I ordered round drills with 2 toolkits with a tweezer. So again, there's a bolt, the wax, the baggies for extra diamonds, and the pen with 3 placers and single placer on the end. There. Sorry for the plastic. Okay. This is what I am going to do next. Do you see? That's 8 horses with trees, mountains, and flowers. So this has 39 colors, and look at that. Those are flowers. 2 horses here. This is, oh, I think this is a cherry tree. There, look at that. And then mountains and the third horse. The fourth one, the fifth, the seventh, and the eighth. There. So it is a very big canvas. It's 120 over 50 centimeters. That's the reason why. And I have here the colors. Look at that. Wow. Look. Is that exciting to do? It's literally like a rainbow. Boy. Red, orange, yellow, G green, blue, indigo, and violet. See? Look at that. We're going to open this one by one. No, I mean I'm gonna open the plastic, and I'm gonna count It says 39 colors, and we'll see the color. It is under, or it's with DMC colors, so that's good. And then we'll count if it's complete. For the canvas, it only has one number information, color information, and symbol information. Just one side. The other side, it doesn't have any. It has the instructions on how to do. If you are just starting with diamond plating, you will see the instructions there. The drill part, I guarantee you that it is so clear. There. It's easy to see. And it's pour glue, so it's sticky. And the canvas itself, it feels so good to the touch. And I can see that there it's like glittery. So it is a very good quality canvas. For the colors, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna line it up according to number information. I mean, from the smallest to the biggest, so that we'll check if they are complete. There, I have arranged the colors from lowest to the highest. So I'm gonna start. This is 153. Come on, camera, focus there. Let me see. Focus, come on. There. 153, and it has a total of 5 bags of this size. 153. 161, it's like there. There. 3 baggies of 161. 310, there are 18 this small baggies. 315, there are 2. 451, 4. I want to show you how good the drills are, especially at the back. 602, 2 baggies, double trouble. 606, it's red orange. 5. 612, moss green, I think. 3 baggies. 700, that's Christmas green. 2. 701, 2, so 10 colors. 718, just 1 bag of this 718. Oh, so sad. It's so beautiful. It's like fuchsia. 720, 4 baggies. 741, 5 baggies. 743, 5 also. 754, it's 8 baggies. 775, 5 baggies. 780, 2. 794, it's like periwinkle. 10. 799, 3 baggies. 817, ooh, is that beautiful, beautiful red, Christmas red or Valentine's. 10 baggies of same size. 818, it's baby pink. That's 4. 898, that's 2. 890, green, 2. 906, 3. 907, oops, sorry, 907, 3. 906, 906, 913, 2 baggies. 926, 4 baggies. 961, 2 baggies. 977, 3 baggies. Look at the color. 3354, it's pink. I wish you could see the back part of the drills. It's so beautiful and it's well finished. It's 4 pieces of 4 baggies. 3371, this is dark brown, a total of 6 baggies. 3608, 2 baggies. 3750, it's navy blue, 3 baggies. 3752, 14 pieces of 3752, 14 baggies. 3756, wow, 14 baggies also. 37708 baggies. 3787, 4. 3801, just 1. And 3865, 8 baggies. So those are the colors that we're gonna use for this canvas. I'm gonna keep it and then I'm gonna finish the Last Supper that I am currently doing right now. Again, I want to thank you so much for your time watching my video. I hope you had a great time watching the colors, which are so colorful and beautiful, and I hope that you have already started your painting, and I hope that you're enjoying too. Thank you so much again. Again, please be kind to everyone. Until next time, ingat po tayong lahat. Please hit the subscribe button and share. I hope that you like this and give me a thumbs up. And hit the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new videos or to unbox. Thank you so much for spending time watching my vlog. Take care.